Bluetooth headsets have been a problem for Xbox users for as long as I can remember. And this is something that both Sony and Nintendo have adopted for third-party accessories, headsets, you name it, and Xbox users have been left in the dust. If you wanted a wireless headset, you had to buy a headset that was specifically using 2.4 gigahertz for wireless, and there are not very many of them on the market. Whereas if you have a PlayStation or a Nintendo Switch, you're able to basically use your AirPods or any other headset that supports Bluetooth. That is, until now. This is the skull&co Bluetooth 5.0 adapter. This works with any standard or Xbox Elite controller. It requires your controller to have both the expansion and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. This device right here, it has pairing and an internal microphone built right in, and all you have to do is plug it right in like this. You line it up, pop it in, and that's it. And it's actually quite small. It does not get in the way of the paddles on the Elite controller. It actually works very well. So after you get your headset paired, you are able to get the audio from your games will come through your headset, as well as any audio that you want to use speaking, whether you're using Discord or party chat on your Xbox. One thing to note is that I was using this with my Logitech G435 headphones, and the built-in microphone that you have on the headphones, it does not work. So using the mute button on your mic is pointless on any headphones that you use with this little adapter or dongle. It does come in a box that looks like this, and you have to use the built-in microphone that comes in the dongle. So I'll try and show that to you guys here. It has a built-in mic. It's got on and off for the mic. It's got on and off for the dongle, and then you hold it to actually do the pairing. I'll throw a link down in the description for anybody that's interested in purchasing this. It did come from China, so it took about a week or so for me to get here in the United States. But if you take a look at any adapter that's like this on Amazon, if you were to just go to Amazon and type in Xbox Bluetooth adapter, you're gonna find a bunch of cheaper, well, price-wise, not necessarily cheaper, but quality standpoint cheaper, with bad reviews. And this actually looks very nice. It looks high quality. It's worked very well for me, and it's also worked very well for my brother, who also purchased one of these. We haven't had any issues with them as far as clarity over chat, and we also both were able to hear all of the music and the sound effects for our games have been routed through the headphones, and that's both worked both at the same time, and it worked very well. I paid $31.39 for this device shipped, so the price might fluctuate if you decide to buy this later, depending on when you see the video. That's what I paid. And if you have any other questions about this, don't hesitate to hit me up down in the comments. I try to respond to everybody as quickly as possible. And that's it for this one. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.